Today, I'll show you how to create a text layer in Adobe After Effects, style it, and add some simple animation so your text feels polished and professional. We'll go from a blank composition to animated text step by step, and I'll explain what each action does so you can easily follow along and adapt it to your own projects. Let's start by adding a brand new text layer. With your composition open and active, move up to the top menu bar and go to Layer, then New, then choose Text. As soon as you do that, After Effects creates a new text layer and a text box appears directly in your composition panel. You might not see any words yet, but don't worry, this is just the container where your text will live. Now it's time to actually type your text. Go to the toolbar and select the Type tool. You can also press the letter T on your keyboard to switch to it quickly. Once the Type tool is active, click anywhere inside the composition panel where you want your text to appear. You'll see a blinking cursor, just like in a word processor. Start typing the text you want to use. As you type, After Effects automatically fills that text layer, and you'll see a new entry for it in your timeline. Once you have your text in place, the next step is to style it so it matches the look and feel of your video. With the text layer selected, look for the character panel, usually on the right side of the interface. Here you can change the font family to something bold, elegant, or modern depending on your design. You can also adjust the font size to make your text larger or smaller, change the text color, and modify letter spacing and line spacing to fine-tune the overall appearance. Take a moment to experiment with these settings. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in how readable and professional your text looks. Next, open the paragraph panel, typically right next to the character panel. This is where you control how the text is aligned within its text box. You can set it to left, center, or right alignment, or adjust justification options for longer blocks of text. This is especially helpful if you're creating lower thirds, titles, or subtitles, and want everything to line up perfectly on screen. Now let's move into animation, which is where your text really comes to life. In the timeline, find your text layer and click the small arrow to expand it. You'll see a section labeled Transform. Under Transform, you have properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. These are the basic building blocks of animation in After Effects. To animate any of these, move the playhead to the point in time where you want the animation to start. Click the stopwatch icon next to a property, for example, position or opacity, to create your first keyframe. Then move the playhead to a later time and change the value of that property. After Effects automatically creates another keyframe and animates the change between the 2 points. You can use this method to make your text slide in from the side, fade in or out, grow larger, or rotate into place. If you want more advanced text effects, you can also use text animators. With your text layer selected, click the Animate menu beside it in the timeline and choose a property like Position, Opacity, or Scale. This adds a text animator that lets you control how individual characters, words, or lines animate, giving you more creative, detailed motion than the basic transform options. By following these steps, you can create, style, and animate text in After Effects with confidence, giving your videos a clean, dynamic, and professional look.